Hey guys, so today I have my Sephora Play Box for the month of August, so let's get into it and see what's in here. Alright, so here is the bag for this month, still sticking with the Ziplocs. The first thing in here is from NARS, and this is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. This is in the shade Dance Fever. So let's swatch this. So like a mauve shade, typical for Sephora. I don't think I receive anything but mauves from them, so nice. Never tried the Velvet Matte Lip Pencils before, I don't think, so they look like a more comfortable matte, not like super drying. Since it's summer, I've been more into like the glossy lips though, so I will have to try this out. So I guess this month they're not having a like tiny sample size, it's just 6 trial sizes instead of like the tiny sample size, so that's cool. I got the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. So I don't really use heat on my hair just because it's already damaged. So when I do, this will probably be the perfect size for me because I don't do it very often. So I will definitely try it out. Next thing in here is the Clinique Moisture Surge. I have like 10,000 of these samples and I do like this. I just try not to use it very much because there is silicone in here and that is not good for your skin. So I feel like it'll break me out, you know, so I just try to stay away from this. Probably won't use that one. Next in here is from BareMinerals, and this is the Dew Mist Setting Spray. So I've seen this and I've really wanted to try it because I love dewy setting sprays. So I'm really excited to see how this works. See how the mister is. Ooh, it's very fine. Oh, that feels so nice. Okay, I really like the mister on that. So I will have to try it out more and see how I like it. Next thing in here is from Sunday Riley, and this is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. So I have stopped using retinols right now just because they just were not helping my skin at all. So I'm just sticking to like a basic moisturizer to get my skin to calm down. But once it's calm, I think I'll introduce another retinol, see how that works. And the last thing in here is from GlamGlow, and this is the Supertoner Exfoliating Acid Solution. So it's like a milky gray toner. That's interesting. I really like trying out new toners, so I will definitely try out this one. I could definitely use some exfoliating on my skin. Alright, so that's all the things that I got in my Sephora Play this month. I would say it's an okay box. My favorite thing in here would probably be the BareMinerals Dew Mist. That mister was like A+. And the Sunday Riley serum I will definitely try out. I'm interested to try that one out. The GlamGlow toner I will definitely try out. I like trying out new toners. The NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, it looks nice, but it's like the same shade that Sephora gives us all the time. Change it up, Sephora, you can do better. And the Briogeo Farewell Frizz, I will use it, but I will not use it often. It's not something that I do with my hair. I just let my hair air dry most of the time because like I bleach the crap out of it, so it just needs a break. Try not to use any heat on it, but I don't know. And then the Clinique, not Sephora, the Clinique Moisture Surge. It's just not very good for your skin, honestly. You should not have silicones in skincare. That's just unnecessary in my opinion. So let me know what you guys got in your Sephora play this month and how you're liking everything, and I will see you in my next video.